Yo, if you're over 40 and tired of being, well, tired, stick around. I'm about to drop some game-changing knowledge on how to reclaim your energy, ditch that sluggishness, and feel like you again. Spoiler. It's easier than you think, and no, it ain't too late. Why we get tired over 40? The real talk, alright. I know what you're thinking. I'm over 40, feeling tired all the time is just part of the deal, right? Wrong. Look, getting older doesn't mean your energy has to hit the snooze button forever. Yeah, some stuff slows down, our metabolism, hormone levels, maybe even our patience, but that doesn't mean you're destined to feel like a phone stuck at 1% battery. But why do we feel so dang tired after 40? Simple. Between juggling family, work, relationships, bills, and scrolling through social media, yeah, I see you, we just get worn down. Hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol start acting up. Then there's the good old weight gain and muscle loss that slow us down even more. Mix that up with stress, and bam. Your energy's missing like that sock in the laundry. But listen up, this is not your new normal. You can absolutely feel energized again, and I'm gonna show you how. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1. Fix that diet, because coffee ain't a meal, I'm just gonna say it. What you eat matters. If your diet is mostly coffee, energy drinks, and that leftover pizza slice, it's time for a glow up. Your body's like a car, you wouldn't put the cheapest gas in a Ferrari, right? So, why put junk into your engine? Here's what you need to do: iron-rich foods. Think lean meats, leafy greens like spinach, and beans. Low iron is a major culprit behind feeling tired all the time. Avoid sugar traps. That quick energy hit from sugar? Yeah, it's a scam. It'll have you crashing faster than a 2 a.m. infomercial binge. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and fish will help keep you feeling full and energized. And I know what you're thinking, eating healthy is expensive. Not really. You can get iron-rich, energy-boosting foods on a budget, think beans, eggs, and spinach. Your wallet will survive, trust me. Tip number 2. Move yo, body. Yeah, I hear you groaning. Exercise? Come on, I'm tired. But here's the plot twist: exercise gives you energy. Crazy, right? I'm not saying you gotta sign up for a CrossFit competition tomorrow. Even just a 20-minute walk can make a huge difference. It gets your blood pumping, your muscles moving, and it tricks your body into producing more energy. The more you move, the more energy you'll have. But what if I don't have time? Make time. Turn a Netflix binge into a mini workout session. Do some squats during commercials or stretch while you're catching up on that show you swore you wouldn't binge in one night. No judgment, though. Tip number 3. Sleep like you mean it. You can't survive off 5 hours of sleep and then wonder why you feel like a zombie. I get it, there's a million reasons to stay up late, but trust me, sleep is the GOAT when it comes to energy. Aim for 7-8 hours of restful sleep a night. Wait, restful? What's that? I know. Restful sleep means no waking up every hour. Create a chill bedtime routine. Turn off the screens, maybe read a book. No, not the drama-filled one that'll keep you up, and keep the room cool. Trust me, you'll wake up feeling like a whole new person. Tip number 4. Stress less, chill more. Now let's talk stress. It's the silent energy killer. Stress is like that toxic friend who pretends to be helpful but leaves you exhausted and questioning your life choices. So how do we kick stress to the curb? 2 words: self-care. Meditation, deep breathing, and journaling are just a few ways to start. Even taking a hot bath or sneaking in some you time, like a quiet cup of coffee without the kids screaming for breakfast, works wonders. And let's be real, most of us stress about stuff that's out of our control. Let go of what you can't fix. You'll sleep better, and hey, more sleep equals more energy. Tip number 5. The power of adaptogens, aka nature's energy boosters. Adaptogens might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're legit. These herbs, like ashwagandha and rhodiola, help your body adapt to stress and boost energy. It's like giving your body a secret weapon against fatigue. How'd I take 'em? Easy. You can find these adaptogens in teas, capsules, or powders. I personally throw some ashwagandha powder in my morning smoothie, and boom, I'm good to go. Tip number 6. Prioritize. You listen, self-care ain't selfish. You can't pour from an empty cup, right? That's why it's so important to take time for yourself. Whether that's reading a book, taking a bubble bath, or just sitting in silence for 10 minutes, do it. It recharges your mental battery. And before you say it, no, self-care doesn't have to mean dropping $300 on a spa day. It can be as simple as turning off your phone for a little while and escaping the chaos. Trust me, your energy will thank you. But isn't fatigue just part of aging? I know what y'all are thinking. Ain't being tired just a part of getting older? Look, while your energy might dip a little as you age, it's not supposed to leave you completely. Feeling energized can totally happen at 40, 50, 60, and beyond. You just need to make a few changes. Still not convinced? Think of it like this: your body is like a car. As it gets older, it needs a bit more care, maybe an oil change or new tires. But that doesn't mean it can't run like new. The same goes for you. Conclusion. Let's get that energy back. Look, being tired all the time isn't a life sentence. You can absolutely feel like your old self again, maybe even better. By switching up your diet, getting active, sleeping like a boss, managing stress, and throwing in some adaptogens, you're setting yourself up to thrive. So what are you waiting for? Try out these tips, and let's say goodbye to feeling sluggish and hello to a more vibrant you. If you've got any dope energy boosting tips of your own, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to check out my other videos if you're ready to keep the energy flowing. Peace. Reclaim your energy after 40. Beat fatigue with these tips.